Hello traders, again welcome back to our video. Today I'm going to take trade in these 5 pairs. We can analyze the market. Here it's major uptrend and minor downtrend. Now here the market is at reversals. Okay, today I'm going to take with $5 and going to do 5 compounding. Here we can go to the sellers, but I need a good. Okay, I'm going to place a put option. I placed here a put option because of that strong rejection from the sellers. It will definitely go more down. That's why I placed here a put option. And here now the market, if we observe here, we can see the market want to go down after the consolidation. So market want to change the direction. Here the recent candle, it should be bearish because a rejection. Okay, we can see some sellers are entering now, and I'm going to do 5-step compounding with $5. It is the next possible reversal. We can see some rejection, but still there is a gap. So here it's better to place a put option with some margin of safety. Okay, anyway I'm going to place here a put option. Very strong buyer's entry now. I think the buyers directly ended here. If the buyers directly ended, I may definitely lose this trade also, because I think maybe losing trade. If it's a bullish candle, next one here should be bearish. If the candle closes bullish, we can go to the sellers after this. I think it will be a 90% losing trade now, because there is no okay. After this we can go to the sellers. No problem, losses are common. And okay, anyway I'm going to place here a put option. Okay, it was a losing trade because here the market reversed directly without reaching the level. That's why it is the actual reversal, that line. But the market reversed directly here. That's why I lost here my trade. And no problem. I just again start with the $5 because I want to do 5-step compounding. It should be bearish because the market reversed directly here, so it will act like a pullback candle only, so it will again go more down. That's why I placed here a put option. And we started the registration of our course, and if you are interested you can join. And now we are in the preparation of our ebook, so we also add our ebook. It will be very useful. Okay, still there is a gap, so we can go to the seller. Okay, oh, I forgot to enter my whole amount. I want to do compounding, so it's 9. We can enter the balance, but I need a good entry also. Okay, we can go to sell. Oh, it also late entry. No problem, I expect it will go more down. It will easily break that level. That's why I placed here a put. You can see some strong sellers entry now, and it should be bearish, not bullish. And our registration of our course is started, and now I told you that we are in the preparation of our ebook. So our ebook means it will give some accurate trading tips. Okay, now we are in the preparation of our ebook, so we will include our ebook in our course also. I think okay, I'm on the trade. It was also a winning trade, but here there is a new low in the market. But here, okay, here we can go to the sellers. Oh, I forgot to enter my whole amount, so again we can go to the sellers. Oh, it's a late entry now, and it may be losing trade because of my late entry, because the market making a small, I mean very weak candle now. Oh, anyway, we can wait for the result. It's a problem of the compounding trade. If we lose one trade, we will lose our all money. That's the problem of the compounding trades. Right here, I think there is no rejection now. Okay, it was also winning trade, but it's an exhaustion candle now. Market is also going down. I think here the market is a true sell. Next one should be bullish here, I think, but I need a confirmation. I need a rejection from the 50% of that wick. Okay, I think bias directly entered. Here we can go to the bias. Here again I forgot to enter my vol amount. But no problem. It's my fourth compounding trade. I place one more trade with $45 after the closing of the present candle. Okay, here we can see some bias entry now. It's a no. Okay, here still there is a gap to the next possible reversal, but I need a margin of safety. It's better to place. I need a good margin of safety here. Okay, here we can go to the sellers. Okay, very good entry point, because now I placed my trade in the sellers area. Its whole area is a sellers area, so it will reject. Okay, sometimes the market makes some weak bullish also, because we are near to the bias area. So sometimes bias directly ended, and sometimes it ended after reaching the exact level. I mean after reaching the exact bias area. So when you are trading near to the SNR level, always try to keep trade with some margin of safety. It will be increase your winning ratio. That's why, okay, you can see finally it's closed a small bullish candle. Okay, anyway, I don't take more trade. My fifth compounding trade is completed, and no. Okay, anyway, I don't take trade more. I'm going to close the section, and we started the registration of our course, and now again I'm telling that now we are preparing our ebook, and we will everything will launch within few days, and we will start. We will include our ebook in our course also with the explanation. Anyway, I don't take trade more. I'm going to close this section. Thanks for watching my video. All of you, again, wish you good profit.